once or twice was enough, and it was all in vain. Time starts to pass before you know it, you're frozen.
Sayawan ako siya parang ganahan.
Something happened for the very first time with you. My heart melted to the ground, found something true. And everyone's looking around, thinking I'm going crazy.
Busy na siya.